Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Tinashe Hair. Once more, I got a drawstring bag in addition to the box as well. Let's see what's in the bag first. I got a wig cap. I got a bonnet. That's nice. Edge brush and comb. A pair of lashes. 2 of these clips. A rat tail comb. That's a lot of goodies. That is a lot of goodies. And the wig. Today, excitement. We have a 613 wig here. It's 10 inches long. I'm so happy for this. Can't tell when last I do a blonde bob. So this is gonna be nice. I also got this like information card. Now has like hair care and their social media and everything listed. I'm going to be sure to put the density of this in my description box. Wow, this feels so good, guys. So good. It's pre-plucked. It's a nice medium cap. It's 3-part. It's 13 by 4. So 13 by 4 lace front. Has 4 combs in the cap, as well as adjustable straps in the back. You know, it's perfect. Love it. And of course the texture is straight. It's a nice blunt cut bob. I love this. It's really cute. So I can't wait to go ahead and just slip this on. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump into that.
Cigarette ash, it looks like snow.
Go ahead and go in with my got to be. As you can see, I'm applying it straight out of the box. I'm showing you that you can wear it straight out of the box, but if you want to go in and do extra customization, of course, right off the rip, you can just go ahead and tone it. I use the Wella line whenever I'm going to tone, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to do further things with this wig. It's definitely one of them that I feel like I'm going to integrate, because as I said, it's a long time since I've had a blonde bob. So yeah, and it's nicely pre-plucked, as you can see. So I'm going to speed through the portion with just applying the got to be spray. As you can see, I'm just measuring it on my head, and then I proceeded to applying my got to be. Same old. Now, I'm not sure if I mentioned this already or if it was further down in the video, but feel free to go in and bleach this, tint it, so that it can give you more of a scalp light look. I actually skipped the step of tinting this with my foundation, even because I really wanted to give you guys a full-on look of it straight out of the box being applied to my head. And so, you know, it can be a little bit casty. So the way to go around that is like using a little bit of makeup after, you know, using your adhesive to apply it and kind of just camouflage everything in, so it can appear more scalp like. So yeah, I still use my elastic band after using my adhesive to kind of further melt everything down and make it lay as flat as possible. And then after that, I did my baby hairs and stuff. Alright guys, so I'm taking my wax stick and my hot comb. Went in with my hot comb, as I said before, and just started to lay everything flat. Now this was really super easy to lay. It was not bulky. It's not a bulky wig at all. The density is perfect. It's perfect. And I did a center part, and it was a really easy look to achieve.
You say you wanna dance. You're wary, you know, you'll end up in the wrong hands. And you're having fun. Why don't you show your friends? And you're having fun.
So far it feels really nice and soft and silky. It doesn't give a coarse feeling. It's very manageable. So that's good. I'm not getting a lot of shedding from it. I am getting shedding, but not a lot. So shedding is on a minimal level, and it's short. It's a bob, so usually I don't experience like a lot of shedding with like shorter links and stuff. you know, the hair, it doesn't tangle easily and stuff. You know, it's easy to work with. It's laying really nice and flat. So to give the parting more precision, I'm going to take some concealer.
I'm lacking sincerity, but you don't care at all. Miss booze, lit cigarettes, trying to take me home. Falling in love just a million times, breaking it off with the feeling on myself. She's cold as December.
This laid so nicely. It wasn't hard to, like, you know, install and style. Not a lot of flyaways. Mind you, I haven't done anything much than take this out of the package, apply it to my head. So, you know, the whole shebang, when you get a 613 wig, you go ahead and tone it. So I feel like for my next, like, installations, because I'm definitely going to keep this one, I'm going to tone it next and stuff. And I didn't even tint the lace. All I did, you see, I took my concealer here, but usually I'd go in on the lace portion with like some foundation or stuff, and you could go in and bleach it and do all of that and customize the lace if you wish, to just make it look more like scalp. But it looks really, really good. It's a really nice bob. I might cut this down shorter the next time I install it. I might, but it's a really nice long bob. The movement is really nice. So Tinashe here, shout out to you. I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications of this wig in my description box, so go ahead, check that out, as well as the direct link where you can go ahead and shop this wig. And yeah, oh, you know, usually these wigs are perfect for, like, you know, bold occasions. Like, a lot of females will wear a nice 613 wig when it's their birthday, or, you know, for some party, some excitement, because once you see this color, it just screams like excitement. So it's not your typical like toned down kind of look. So yeah, you know, you can go ahead and check out all the information on this in my description box. Don't forget to check me out on my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.